Hey guys, how are you doing? And this is what I got from Michael's. I got the sign, that potting shed. And I did an online at the curb. And I'll tell you right now, I don't like it because they already charged me wrong and they can't do anything about it at the store. So I have to wait. I have to wait until they open up, she said. But nevertheless, they had, I think they had 2 left and they had none left online. So I got that. Then I got this paper because it was on sale and it was $5.99 and there is 50 pages each in it. And what I want to do is I want to start a series on making different flowers. Now I've done flowers with bread dough, with clay, and now I am going to make some with paper, some of those big roses, and some other little filler flowers. But it was buy 2, get 1 free. And this is where they messed up. I got 6, okay? So that means I should have got 2 free, right? Buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 2, get 1 free. Well, I didn't. So I paid full price for 3 of them. Doesn't seem like much, but it's more the principle of it. So I will contact them when they open up. So that's what my Michael's, big purchase at Michael's, huh? But I got just what I needed, especially for the flowers, because I wanted variegated shades from lightest to dark. So one is, what is this one? This is the rose. Let me zoom in. That's the rose. And this is citrus. This one is shades of red. Purple passion. Cape Cod, and then just white. And the white, this isn't the right size, but that's okay. I can use it for other things. Okay, so I went to Hobby Lobby, and so thankful that it's open. And I got some scrapbook paper. I got more of what would be like the Mackenzie Child. And then I got this yellowish gold for my bee theme. It's cute. And then I got some material. Again, a Mackenzie Child look. And then here I got a bouquet of the hydrangeas, and they're in cream, and I'll be using those for my summer. All the paper was $4 for $1, and the hydrangeas were half off. I think they were $7. And the material is, no, was it 40% off? I don't know that it was. And then look at the chicken. And this reminds me of a Mackenzie Child, just the colors. And that was in the spring section, and that was $15. So I thought she was pretty. And I have a few more things I'll show you when I go upstairs. Okay, now I'm upstairs in the craft room. I wanted to show you too. I got these wood rounds. And if you remember right, I did my bunny out of those for Easter and Christmas ornaments. But I have something else that I'm going to do with these for summer. I think you'll really like them. I also got these little wooden, I'm going to use them in a DIY. And then I got some more strawberries because I'm going to be making something with those. And over here I got some of the black and white checked burlap. And that's in the wedding section at Hobby Lobby. All of this is from Hobby Lobby, by the way, right here. And then I got some more ribbon, the lime green and the red. And then I like this ribbon because it kind of works well with the Mackenzie Child. And then some black and yellow, and that will be for my bee and lemon themed decor. So that is my Hobby Lobby haul. So I will be back. I have a new puppy. That's why I've been a little bit MIA. It's like having a newborn. I can't get to my DIYs as fast as I would like to. But thank you for your patience and bearing with me. So until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.